Hello, everyone. I just want to take a few minutes and go over some of the guidelines and important concepts within the nursing theory presentation assignment. So one of the things that I want you to remember as you're preparing this presentation is that you're researching a nurse theorist and theory that you've chosen. And hopefully you've selected someone who you're very interested in finding out more about that theory. And we can take that to the fact that nursing itself is a very unique body of knowledge. We are our own discipline. And a lot of that has to do with the nurse theorists. That gives us that unique body of knowledge because we have theories that apply just to the nursing profession. So you will be preparing and delivering a formal presentation on that selected nursing philosophy or theory. Your presentation will be between 20 to 30 minutes in length, and I want you to be as creative and interactive as you would like to be. That really helps with the format of this particular assignment. And the information that's presented in class will include the course required readings along with academic materials that you have located about your nurse theorist. So remember to use the Walsh University Library services to assist you in locating appropriate information that will help you to be successful with this assignment. So grading will be based upon three main components. We'll talk about each of these separately. The first one is the content of the presentation. The second one is the teaching or the presentation strategies. And the third one is the completion of the comparison of nursing theories worksheet. So the content of the presentation will include the learning objectives for the audience. Just think about what you want that attendee or participant to walk away with. You're going to introduce yourself and what the presentation will include. Give an overview of the theorist. I feel it's really important to know where this theorist came from and what they're all about. You're going to be giving their particular definitions or descriptions of the nursing meta paradigm concepts, which would include what their definition of nursing is, what their definition of health is, person, and environment, and the relationship of those concepts within their theory. Which concept do you believe has the most focus in their theory? How does this theory take a step back and see how does this theory contribute to the art or science of nursing? And can this theory be used in particular clinical practice sites? Or is it more widely used? Or maybe you found in your research that it's especially used in education and curriculum development. So you'll talk about that. And also then critique, evaluate the theory. Did you find it very easily applicable? Did you see some limitations of the theory? And discuss those. The second component was the teaching presentation strategies. Based upon your readings, what teaching learning principles are you using when you created this presentation? How creative is it? What's your interaction? What methodology are you using for the presentation other than lecture? Do you have handouts? Is there audience participation? Are there activities, videos? So take a look at those teaching strategies that you'll be using. And then the last component is the completion of the comparison of nursing theories worksheet, where you're really going to compare and contrast the focus of 2 chosen theories and discuss which theory is best suited for your current nursing practice, the patient population that you are working with. So your work is going to be submitted. Remember to refer to APA formatting style. You'll have at least 10 references. You certainly could have more than 10 references. Be sure to reference all of the sites that you're using, books, journals, videos. The Purdue Online Writing Lab is a good source, just a little reminder about that, and also the Walsh Library.